if you want to hide photos and videos on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then first of all, we need to go to the gallery. Then in the gallery, what we can do is, for example, press and hold our finger on the first photo that we want to hide. And of course, we can select multiple items at once. And the next thing that we need to do is press Add to Album at the bottom. And you should be able to find Private Album over here. So tap on this option. We will need to set up the private album. So let's press OK. We need to provide the password that we wish to use in order to unlock the private album. So let's say I'm going to use this pattern over here. And then once again, in order to confirm, and then press next. Of course, we can use Xiaomi account in order to recover our password, but we don't have to do this. And there we go. We have now hidden photos and videos. Of course, you can just choose a single photo or video as well. You can tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner and you can choose Add to Album in order to do the same thing. And of course, if you have set up the password before, then you just skip the whole setup process. And if you want to find your hidden photos and videos, then you need to go to Albums and then you need to swipe down over here like this. Of course, we need to provide the password. And there we go, we have our hidden photos and videos. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!